Hi everyone, this is Ron Couming from RCS Technology Solutions, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you achieve even greater success by attracting, converting, and retaining their ideal customers and clients. Welcome to this training series called 25 Ways to Grow Your Instagram Account Quickly and Organically. In this segment, we are going to talk about why you should join or start a comment pod. When Instagram changed up their algorithms to no longer show photos in reverse order, a lot of bigger accounts took a hit in engagement rate. The new algorithm seems to assume you prefer to see photos of smaller accounts, presumably your real-life friends and family, and so bigger accounts were being pushed further and further back. One response from an Instagram blogger has been to form comment pods, essentially a group of similar accounts who commit to liking and comment on each other's photos as soon as they can. Now there's a bit of controversy around pods as to whether or not it can be cheating the system, but as long as you're not overdoing it, aka most of your Instagram is from non-pod members, I don't see an issue with it. Try it out, see if it works for you. If you have any questions about this tip, please feel free to reach out to me, Ron, at RCS Technology Solutions, to clarify anything that may not have been clear and see what we can do to help you achieve even greater success.